My name is Kelly O'Connor, and this is my work titled Multifaceted Woman. I just had this desire to create the It's a Small World facade. It was something I had always been super attracted to, and I love the mid-century modern nature of it. And as I started to research the subject matter, I learned more about the designer of this facade, Mary Blair. And she was a very inspiring person to me. She was very multifaceted. That's where the title comes from. Not only was she an artist, she was this amazing designer. She was considered the darling of the advertising agency in New York, and she was also a very influential person at Disney, and she was a mother.
I want you to meet Mary Blair. Mary, this is Julie Reams.
Hello, Julie.
Nice Will you tell her what you're doing here, Mary?
We start this way, making a preliminary sketch. Then we make a model to scale, and that's what we're doing here.
This is a half-scale model, isn't it, Mary?
It's a half inch.
I mean, half inch. One half inch represents a foot. Mm-hmm. So actually, when the thing is really built at Disneyland, those towers will be 60, 70 feet high.
So all these sort of roles really spoke to me because I am an artist. I have a full-time job as a museum professional, and I'm also a mother. And so as I started to dig into her life, on the surface, everything seemed so amazing and fabulous, and she was, doing all this great stuff. But at the end of the day, what eventually took her life is she died of a brain hemorrhage due to alcoholism. And so I just thought that was such an interesting juxtaposition that, she was just like doing all this amazing stuff, but at the end of the day, it was a pretty dire situation. Multifaceted woman, I think, is something that, women now are required to do it all. Like we went from being in the household, and now we have to do it everything. We have to be smart, beautiful, have good jobs, raise kids. And I just think that it's just like an interesting thing that, was something she was trying to do, Mary Blair, and sometimes trying to do it all is too much.